In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your funnel in systeme.io. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your systeme.io account. Go ahead and enter your login credentials on the systeme.io login page. Once you've filled in your details, click on sign in. This will take you directly to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that we're in, let's navigate around a bit. Move your mouse over to the website section on the dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Sales Funnels. This is where we can start customizing and sprucing up your funnel. When you're inside the Sales Funnel section, you'll see a bunch of elements available to design your page the way you envision. If you're thinking of adding an image to your page, it's super easy. From the panel on the left, simply drag the image element and drop it right where you'd like the image to appear. Once you've placed the image element, it's time to upload your image. To do this, click on the settings button, which gives you access to upload options. You'll notice a cloud-shaped upload button. Give that a click. From there, navigate to the image file on your device that you want to upload, select it, and then hit insert. And there you go, your image is now part of your funnel page. If you want to complement that image with some text, that's just as straightforward. On the same left panel, there's a text element. Drag it onto your page where you want your text to show up. Once it's there, to tweak the text settings, click on the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the frame, marked by an orange tab. Customizing your text is a breeze. To make the text bold, just select the text and click on the B icon. The same process applies if you want your text in italics. Just select and click the I icon. Need an underline? Just hit the U icon. For any text you want to cross out, opt for the S icon to create a strike through effect. There's also the color picker icon, perfect for adding a bit of personality by changing the text color. If you're linking text to an external site, highlight your desired text and click on the link symbol icon. This action will make your text clickable and allow you to input a URL for redirection. Remember, once you're satisfied with all your changes and everything looks perfect, don't forget to click on the Save Changes icon. This saves all your hard work and updates your funnel with all the new edits. And that's it, you've successfully edited your funnel in systeme.io.